Viewers, you are welcome to Omalayo Home Remedy channel. Here with me, this plant, botanically it is called Euphorbia hitta. In English, it is called asthma weed. This plant can help in some of your health challenges. If you have dysentery, boil this plant, take half cup 2 times in a day for 5 days. If you have constipation, get some of this plant, pound it or blend it with little quantity of water, take a shot or half of a glass cup once in the night. If you have asthma, get this plant, dry it under shade. Don't dry your herbs in the sun. Pound it or blend it, then you take teaspoon with boiling water 3 times in a day. If you have pneumonia, get some of these plants, boil it, take half cup 3 times in a day. If you have cough, boil some of these plants, take half cup 2 times in a day. If you also have bronchitis, boil some of these plants, take half cup 3 times in a day. Remember, it is more effective when you take it with empty stomach. I mean 30 minutes before taking your meal. Like me, share me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.